Today we will talk about what is control in experiments. In science, when doing the experiment, it must be a controlled experiment. So in controlled experiment, the scientist must contrast an experimental group with a control group. For that reason, two groups are treated exactly alike, except for the one variable being tested. Below diagram, you can see the three pots. In these pots, one pot is control. Here, control means pot with no treatment, and other two pots are the pots with same treatments. For example, in an experiment to test the necessity of carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Here, word photosynthesis is derived from two words that are photo means light, synthesis means to made. So, photosynthesis is the process in which plants made glucose, also called food and oxygen, from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. From diagram and equation, you can see the process of photosynthesis. So, purpose of this experiment is that to understand the requirement of carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. For that experiment, one can contrast the control group. Control group means a plant with freely available carbon dioxide. And with an experimental group. Experimental group means a plant with no carbon dioxide available. From diagram, you can see the plant in control group with freely availability of carbon dioxide, and a plant in experimental group with no carbon dioxide. So what will be result of that experiment? The necessity of carbon dioxide will be proved when photosynthesis occurs in the control group and does not occur in the experimental group. So it shows that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. It is proved by control condition in experiment. So it is proven from example that control condition is necessary for any experiment. If you like this video, then subscribe this channel. Thank you.